Welcome friends. Today we will see how to install VS Code and integrate with GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered code compilation tool developed by GitHub in collaboration with OpenAI. First, we will download the VS Code. We need to download the Windows version of VS Code as we are doing the installation on Windows machine. Once the download is complete, we have to double click the software and wait for the installation to get completed. After the installation is complete, we could see the AI feature with Copilot. We need to sign in with our GitHub account in order to use it. So here I'll be putting my GitHub ID and login. So once the sign in is complete, we could ask questions with GitHub Copilot. We could also see that Copilot is available as an extension for VS Code, which could be installed separately also. Now we will ask a question to GitHub Copilot to create a code for DBT. Once the code is generated, now we have to open a new file, place the cursor in the new file, and we have to click on copy to get the code in our newly created notepad. That's all. Thanks for watching.